Hey everybody, we're over here at Harvest Graphics. We've been working with Harvest for about, 10 years. I was introduced to them with somebody else I used to work with. So when we started FireBoard, we sort of introduced to Harvest. They've done great work with us. I'm bringing some box samples because we're trying to match this FireBoard orange-red color that we have. Everybody knows our brand, knows about this color. It's the Pantone 179C, so that's what we're trying to match. Anyway, so we're gonna take a look kind of behind the scenes and show you guys the offset presses that they have here, which I think is really cool. It's really fascinating, like these Heidelberg, I guess it's a brand, like these cool machines that they buy that it's offset press. They're running actually a job for us, which is really cool. So we got them to kind of sync up on our time frame. They're running like a little brochure that's gonna go into our DC drive product, which is cool. So anyway, come check it out. We're gonna walk in here to the building and check out their press. So this is a Heidelberg SpeedMaster, right, and it's a 5-color press. So this is obviously five color plus coating. So there's actually 6 stations, I guess you'd call them. Yes. And so you've got the stack of paper, literally, and it's like a vacuum thing that picks up the paper, puts the sheets down this way, it flows through. I guess you've got, what, CMYK. It's so fascinating just to see how it flows through. You get plates in every single station, so then you have each layer of color that gets applied. But you can even see the coating. I guess like it's an aqueous soft touch. I can see literally a pool of liquid here that it gets picked up, and I guess the machine grabs that and puts it down on the paper.
And it has drying in it as well. So
there's a built-in dryer as well. Okay, so that's fascinating. So anyway, this is like literally, it's cool just to walk down the line and you get to see literally from beginning to end how this paper comes through your press. So this is the process here. It's fascinating. It's kind of cool to jump behind the scenes and see how this works. We have all sorts of stuff, like our user guides, like some of our FCC regulatory stuff. We've got product packaging. You know, we've got little information cards with our
temperature gauges.
Yeah, every little thing that we do, there's so many things that require printed material. So we appreciate working with you guys. I mean, it's super nice to have this done here in Kansas City. So anyway, I'll let you guys take it from here, but this is fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely, Cara.
Right.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
For your FireBoard pieces, we typically use a spot color on your red, which is the mixed ink that's PMS 179C. And then we use CMYK to build all the other colors, including K is black, so the black might be a percentage of black or a solid black on the rest of the page. Also, many of your pieces have a soft touch coating on them. We use an aqueous soft touch, which gives it a little bit of tactile interest and also seals in the ink so it dries faster and holds up better over time. When you print using CMYK inks, the cyan, magenta, yellow, and black are all made of dots on the plate. And when the dots overlap, you get color mixture, or a single dot in a lesser percentage, like a fewer red dots looks pink to the naked eye, but when we closed in on that image with the loop, you could see the tiny dots, but when you're looking at it on the page, it looks pink. And all of the CMYK Pantone mixes are based on the percentage of the C, the M, the Y, and the K to make a specific color in the spectrum, and that's what a color build is.